Okay, let's go.
If your BMW dashboard is looking like a Christmas tree and most of the lights on it are related to like traction control, ABS, tire pressure, and of course engine management light, they might all be down to ABS sensors, which happened to me. I've read the codes, and most of the codes are related to like steering angle, slider, and between them two fault codes for rear left and front left ABS sensors. You don't need to get scared, it's an easy fix. It'll take you about 1 hour for 2 sensors, more or less. And the good thing is, if you don't have like a proper code reader and you have just a small OBD code reader, you might be able to clear the codes, but the codes will disappear from your dashboard after you've changed the sensors and drive the car for about few hundred meters, few hundred yards. So today I'll show you how to change the ABS sensors front and rear. I've already ordered them as I've read the codes. I didn't have one, so it's an FAI and a Bosch. So Bosch for rear, FAI for front. I'll go through all the details as I'm going along. I'll do a voiceover as outside is really quiet and I don't want to disturb my neighbors, and it's quite dark. So let's crack on. So all you need to do is remove that small plate. I have like 2 drywall screws, like an ad by the previous owner, a 10mm plug and 2 T25 screws, and the panel is hidden behind that the connection box. I've removed the connector. You can see is this blue pin. Now I've took the ABS sensor out. It's been a job done by the previous owner, and it's quite hard to put that back in the box. It's hidden, was wet, and but I've succeeded with a screwdriver. That was easy. Now down to the sensor. I've used some lubricant to release the screw. It's stubborn. The screw is quite stubborn. Clean the area quite good. Remove all the dirt, anything that's inside. It's much better to remove it. Again, I've used lubricant as much as I could so the sensor will sit inside. First attempt didn't work, so you need to clean the hole quite good. It needs to sit proud inside, so yeah, I put back the sensor. It was quite dark and cold, so I've been playing around. I've used some cable ties to keep the cable fixed and to ensure he's not gonna rub. Okay, now It's not a hard job, but I don't have a platform to raise the car, so on the ground it's much harder. Now you can see, being dark and filming is not that easy. Anyway, I put back the sensor, tie the screw. It's not a massive job. I think the worst is the dirt around. I put some Vaseline on top after I finish with the screw, just to seal it. I test the brake disc, it turns quite good. So after that I've cleaned the disc where the wheel sits against the disc. I put some WD-40. This is the front sensor, much easier. Everything's open, you don't need to take any covers out. So I've took the screw out. Again, sensor is quite stuck, but with a bit of force you can take that out with no issues. Sensor's been removed. Then you need to take the cowls out. I'll just put some degreaser. I'm cleaning the bore. Now take the cowls out. There are two cowls, and the sensor is right behind the wheel. That's the connector box. Same procedure like the one on the back. Easy fix. You just plug that back in, install the new sensor. Just take care when you put the cowls, otherwise you're gonna have water going in. The grommets. Put the grommets back. Okay, and now the sensor. The bore was cleaned. I cleaned it twice just to make sure everything's nice and clean. Put the sensor back and put the screw, and that was it. I drove the car and lights literally came off by themselves. I've used the tester to clean, but yeah, everything was as it's supposed to. Put some grease on top, make sure nothing goes in. Yeah, check the disc, clean the disc, put some degrease, some grease on it, and that was it. Job done. Brake cleaner, job done.
Okay, let's go.